In this lesson focuses on the universe and the members of the solar system. It also deals with the motions of the earth and their resultant effects. It also talks about the four spheres of the earth. Solar system, galaxy, universe. What's the difference? Many people are not clear about the difference between our solar system, our Milky Way galaxy, and the universe. Our solar system consists of our star, the sun, and its orbiting planets, along with numerous moons, asteroids, comet material, rocks, and dust. Our sun is just one star among the hundreds of billions of stars in our Milky Way galaxy. The universe is all of the galaxies, billions of them. You are one of the billions of people on our earth. Our earth orbits the sun in our solar system. Our sun is one star among the billions in the Milky Way galaxy. Our Milky Way galaxy is one among the billions of galaxies in our universe. You are unique in the universe. So, the universe is all of space and time and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems. It is held together by gravity. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, also has supermassive black hole in the middle. Our solar system consists of our star, the sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, trapped planets such as Pluto, dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteorites. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. It holds 99.8% of the solar system's mass and is roughly 109 times the diameter of the Earth. About 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. It is one of more than 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. It is at present about 70% hydrogen and 28% helium. By mass, everything else amounts to less than 2%. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. As such, it circles the Sun faster than all the other planets because the planet is so close to the Sun. Mercury's surface temperature can reach a scorching 840 degrees Fahrenheit. So, it is an airless and waterless planet. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the sixth largest. Together with Mercury, they are the only planets without a satellite. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus is the hottest planet. Venus, which has been called Earth's evil twin, has an extremely harsh climate with a surface temperature of 864 degrees Fahrenheit. It has mountains, valleys, and tens of thousands of volcanoes. Earth, our home planet, is a world unlike any other. The third planet from the Sun, Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed to host life with a radius of 3,959 miles. Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system and It's the only one known for sphere to have liquid water on its surface. It's the only planet known to have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, ocean of water on its surface, and affords life. It's smaller than the four gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, but larger than the three other rocky planets Mercury, Mars, and Venus. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet with a thin atmosphere, having the surface features reminiscent both of the impact craters of the Moon and the valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps of Earth. Fifth in line from the Sun, Jupiter is by far the largest planet in the solar system, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Jupiter's familiar stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. So, the fifth planet from the Sun, Jupiter is what watercolor dreams are made of vibrant bands of clouds ripple around its thick atmosphere, making up a world so large that more than 1,300 Earth could fit inside. Jump to planetary rings. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. Adorned with a dazzling system of ice rings, Saturn is unique among the planets. It is not only planet to have rings, but none are as spectacular or as complex as Saturn's. Uranus is known as the sideways planet because it rotates on its side. It was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel. It was the first planet found using a telescope. It is an ice giant planet and nearly 4 times larger than Earth. Neptune is dark gold and very windy. It's the last of the planets in our solar system. A dwarf planet is an object in space that is like a small planet but does not completely fit the technical description of a planet. There are extremely cold and dark. The five dwarf planets of the solar system are Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makmak, and Haumea. Pluto, Eris, and the longest asteroid, Ceres, are all dwarfed planets. The Moon is an astronomical body orbiting Earth and is the planet's only natural satellite. It revolves around the Earth once in every 27 days and 8 hours. It is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system and by far the longest among planetary satellites relative to size of the planet that it orbits. Asteroids are rocky worlds revolving around the Sun that are too small to be called planets. There are also known as planetoids or minor planets. There are millions of asteroids ranging in size from hundreds of miles to several feet across. In total, the mass of all the asteroids is less than that of Earth's moon. Comets are basically dusty snowballs which orbit the Sun. They are made of ices such as water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane mixed with dust. These materials come from the time when the solar system was formed. When meteorites enter Earth's atmosphere at high speed and burn up, the firefalls or shooting stars are called meteors. Earth basically has two types of motions. There are rotation and revolution. When Earth spins or rotates around its axis, that movement of spinning is called rotation of Earth. And when Earth spins or revolves around the Sun, that movement is called revolution of Earth. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. Days and nights take place because of rotation. So, the days and night that you see are actually because of this rotation of the Earth around its own axis. Revolution is the second type of motion of the Earth. It is the movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path or orbit. Revolution causes the change of seasons. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the Sun. Everything in Earth systems can be placed into one of four major subsystems: land, water, living things, or air. These four subsystems are called spheres. Basically, they are the lithosphere, iosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere.